Okay, we are recording this video so that we can guide you about the instructions of your coming assignment, which is about trigonometry. Trigonometry will be a new branch of mathematics for you, and it is one of the very powerful and useful branch of mathematics, right? So you will learn about trigonometry in some of the coming assignments as well, but in this assignment you are going to work on some ratios, which is a teeny part of trigonometry, so that we can start or kick off this topic, right? So starting this, before you start the assignment, as you are starting a new branch of mathematics, as I said, first you should watch the application of it, because it is very applicable and very powerful concept of mathematics. So first watch this video so that you can have some motivation that this is a very useful topic. So first watch this video and then open the assignment to attempt the investigation therein, right? So instructions are all written. Let me just tell you some important points from the instruction before I start discussing the assignments, right? First of all, here is a complete link attached in the assignment, which is written this. You can click to use this applet for drawing triangles, which is a part of your assignment. I will discuss later in detail. And you can also use this code on Geogebra so that you can easily access the resource that you can use for drawing triangles of your requirement. Okay, so okay, the notes are very important, that all the assignments, all the drawings and all the tables which are required to fill and all the statements that are required to written in the assignment, you will do that in your copy, and you will upload the pictures of your work, of your copy work, with the assignment. And similarly, if you are not drawing triangles and you are using the applet, which I will discuss in this video, so you can use that applet, then you will have to share the screenshot of the tablet triangles you are drawing using that tablet applet, right? So you will share the screenshot, and the tables from the copy you will share both the pictures, right? Pictures from the copy, and if you are using applet, then a screenshot from the application, right? It has marks, it will be included in the terminal results, you know that. And very important and new assignment for you is that, okay, the assignment is providing you for a video support, with a video support of instruction, so that you can first attempt it at your home. You have to first attempt it, and if you have any confusion, you can mention the confusions in the comment section below, so before February 11th, so that we can make another video, or we can guide you anyhow accordingly, right? But first we want you to try the assignment on your own, right? So try it, mention your confusion, so that we can guide you about that. Okay, now let's move towards the assignment. You will click this and your assignment will be in front of you like this. Assignment is about trigonometry, and trigonometry is all about triangles. And why we are learning triangles so much? Because triangles are everywhere in our world, if you see from mathematical eye, right? Triangle, you will see this, you will start viewing triangle all around you when we will discuss in upcoming assignments. So it is used in science, engineering, video games, and many more applications. In structures, everywhere triangles are there, and so trigonometry, right? So you are going to do some investigation, and you will have to write what you are observed, what did you observe in that investigation. So this is a simple task. What you need to do, the task number 1, draw and label the following triangle on a piece of paper. In your copy, you will draw these triangles, and you know how to draw them. What you need to draw, you draw a first triangle. The angle A should be of 30 degree, angle C should be of 90 degree, and a side which is AC, the side AC should be of 3 centimeters. So you can easily draw this. You need to do I can show you how you can draw. For example, if you are working in your copy, so you need to make a line first, line AC. So I'm using, you need a ruler to make a line. So take a ruler and make a line of 3 centimeters from your ruler, or 3 inch, whatever you want, right? From starting from 0 to 3, try to be accurate as much as possible, right? Okay, so that's a straight line we have. So, and this point on this line, we are saying that this is A, and that point is C, right? And that point is A. Okay, so we have drawn a line with the sides A and C, and this is of 3 centimeters. Now what we need to do, we need to take an angle A of 30 degree. For measuring this angle, you have to use a protractor, which is normally known as D around you. So you have to place this cross which is at 0 degree on your vertex, which is point A on this line, right? And now you can take a point from the table of the protector of 30 degrees here, right? So now you will remove the protector and you have got the line. You will use a ruler and you can just make this line properly. Just rule the ruler here and just rotate it to this point, and you can just easily can draw. I'm using this application, so maybe my drawing is not that good, but if you are doing this in copy, it will be a piece of cake for you, right? It is not necessary to draw a line up to this point. You can even extend this line, or even you can make a shorter line as per your requirement, because we just need an angle which is of 30 degrees, right? So I am just making the angle from up to here. Okay, so I have made an angle of 30 degree here. Now I need to make a line from here, so that this on the second requirement the angle C should be of 90 degree, and you need not to measure 90 degree because you know 90 degree is L shape or completely vertical. So you can easily draw this, place this here and draw this line. Perfect. So I have made a triangle. This triangle is of 30 degree, this triangle is 90 degree, and this triangle is whatever, I don't know. Okay, you may know that you know how what is the sum of the interior triangles, but that is not the part of this assignment, right? Now what you need to do, first you draw all of these triangle as I did, and then what you do, you will, one second instruction is that measure the lengths. You have to measure the all three lengths of this triangle you have drawn. You know the length of this length is 3 centimeters, and you have to measure the remaining two lengths by placing a ruler like this. Oh, it is 1 point something, 7 point something, right? 1.7 something, right? You can easily measure this from a ruler, and you have, what you need to do, you need to mention the three lengths of a triangle right here. Line AB here, line AC length here, line BC length here, and you will repeat the process for all of these three triangles in this task, and you will write all of these lengths in these three columns, right? Then what you need to do in the remaining columns, you are going to find these ratios. What is the first ratio? This ratio is B is to A. So this is column B. You will take a figure from here and you will make a ratio with A, and you will divide and write the answer right here. And in this column you will take C and A. So this is your C and this is your A. So you will take your values and make a ratio and write the values up to 2 decimal places. Definitely the ratios will be in whole, will not be a whole number. So you will have a decimal places. So you will take 2 decimal places. And for that you surely can use a calculator for finding the ratio of these two sides. Actually we are just exploring the ratio among the sides of three sides of a triangle. So we are measuring these three ratios, and when you will write all these ratios here by calculating them by a calculator, then you can you need to observe. Do you see, what do you think, do you see any pattern, do you see anything which is very eye-opening for you? Then you have to mention that in the comments, that what did you see here, right? So this is your first assignment, and in the second assignment you need to do the same thing, but the angle of 30 degree will be replaced with 45 degree. All the remaining tasks will be same. And in the third task you can take any angle you want, as it is mentioned, 30, 45, 50, any angle you want, but whatever angle you will measure, you have to use that angle for all of these three triangles of this task. For example, if you are taking 60 degree for this triangle, then you have to use the 60 degree for this and for also for this, right? But you can choose any angle, but that should be same for all the three triangles, right? So this is your task. You can easily you can draw and you can fill the table and you can write this instruction. So this is a very simple assignment you're going to do about trigonometry. One more thing which is very important to tell you about this assignment is that if you don't want to draw in your copy, as it is mentioned, you can also use a Geogebra Applet. How you can access to that applet? You will just open a browser, and you can also download a mobile application of Geogebra. Or you will open a browser and you will write Geogebra. This is the spelling of Geogebra, and .org, right? So this is GeoGebra. Here you can search this code here, code of the applet, which is KA7KY3D4. You can copy this and you can just put it in the search bar and enter this. So you will get your resource that you can use for easy drawing and accurate drawing of trigonometric triangles you require for the investigation of this assignment. Just click and you will get all the resource in front of you. You can just the things are in front of you. That this length is already 3 centimeters, this length is already 5 centimeter, and this line is of 4 centimeter. You can rotate this slider to change the angles of all of these three triangles. So for example, for first you need to draw an angle of 30 degree. So you will draw like this, and here you have all the three sides. If you remember, we were measuring the side which was 1.7 and it is actually 1.73. Right, so you can take values from there and you can fill in the table of the assignment. You can fill in the table of the assignment easily. You can get the all of three lengths of all of these three assignment. You can fill easily starting 3 columns, and then you can find the ratios using a calculator easily. Then you can write what you're observing in the ratios. Right, very easy. Okay, so and you can also access this applet by using the attached link. So link is also attached. If you click this, so you will automatically redirect it to this resource on GeoGebra. Right, if you want to use a code is also mentioned here, link is also here. If you don't want to use this applet, you have option to not use it, and you can just simply draw as I have drawn like this. If you don't want to do this drawing, you can use this applet, but as it is mentioned in the instruction, then you have to share the screenshots of this drawing. You will take a screenshot and you will attach with your table which is in your copy, and you will upload all of these pictures with the assignment. So this is your assignment. I hope you will find it interesting, and the facts you will explore will be very interesting for you. The marks of the assignment is 10, and the due date will be coming Sunday, 14 Feb. And the topic which is trigonometry. If you still have any confusion about the instruction, anything, then you can feel free to mention the comments, and we are going to give you another support accordingly. Thank you so much.